Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video I will talk about Polygon price prediction and Polygon news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Polygon in 2022. Polygon, formerly MATIC network, is the first well-structured and easy-to-use Ethereum scaling and infrastructure development platform. Its core component is the Polygon SDK, a flexible modular framework that supports the creation of multiple types of applications. Using Polygon, you can create optimistic rollup chains, ZK rollup chains, standalone chains, or any other framework that developers may need. Polygon effectively turns Ethereum into a complete multi-chain system, i.e., the Internet of Blockchains. This multi-chain system is similar to Polkadot, Cosmos, Avalanche, and others, but with all the benefits of Ethereum: security, vibrant ecosystem, and openness. Polygon, formerly MATIC network, is a Layer 2 scaling solution backed by Binance and Coinbase. The project aims to stimulate the mass adoption of cryptocurrencies by solving scalability issues on many blockchains employed by Uniswap, SushiSwap's closest rival in the decentralized finance space. However, this beta launch on Polygon does not deploy all of the promised features when it was first announced. According to SushiSwap, the current preview, Phase 1, is only an initial build, with new pool types to be released as audits and resources become available. The concept behind this framework is that hard-coded swap environments like those found in Uniswap, Curve, and Balancer all necessitate the same underlying methods, and can therefore be consolidated into a single interface. By consolidating them into an interface, the development process can occur more rapidly at a community level, SushiSwap explains. This means that users who may already be providing liquidity to a V1 pool on Polygon can then migrate their liquidity positions to Trident, spreading out their portfolio. The new Trident platform will likely help standardize how liquidity pools, LPs, are created, with the help of iPool, a new interface flow, the past 3 months, with brief forays above 50, that were rebuffed quickly. The CMF was below -0.05 to show significant capital flows out of the market. This was slightly at odds with the OBV. Although the predominant trend of the OBV was southbound, it has registered higher lows in the past month. This suggested the presence of weak demand. The DMI did not show a strong trend in either direction, a sign that the market could be consolidating. Conclusion: the bearish and bullish scenarios for MATIC are as follows. The bulls would look for the $1.545 and $1.7 levels to be broken, while the aggressive bears could look to short a test of these levels. To the south, the $1.31.4 area could offer support. And second news today about G2 Esports files lawsuit against Bondly over scrapped NFTs on Polygon. When popular competitive gaming club G2 Esports announced its plans to launch Solana-based NFTs in January, there was a curious question mark hanging over the news. What happened to G2's NFT deal with Bondly, which was announced in June 2021? Now we know. G2 Esports filed suit against Bondly in Los Angeles County Superior Court on March 16, according to a report from the Washington Post. For the report, the filing alleges that Bondly leadership misled G2 about its ability to create NFT collectibles via the partnership, and a blog post sheds some light on the IP 1559 bringing a much-requested upgrade to the network. It would introduce the burning of MATIC tokens and better fee visibility. Apart from this, there were a few amendments to validators as well. In January, the London hard fork arrived on the Polygon mainnet, thus enabling the burning of the native MATIC token and better fee visibility, taking its cues from Ethereum. Did it help? Well, it did some favor to create much-needed traction for the flagship platform. As per data from the analytic firm Nansen, MATIC stood at the number 3 spot in the 7-day active addresses by chain. Following this, the community reiterated bullish scenarios on the same thread. Some opined that Polygon would reach the first spot soon on the bullish side. On a neutral note, others saw MATIC recover its recent losses soon. Nonetheless, these developments marked a significant rise for the troubled platform. First, the Polygon network had faced a network-wide issue causing a transaction blockage and some downtime. Later on, Polygon's team released a hotfix, a minor upgrade that fixed problems caused by the last update. Furthermore, the new patch unblocked the board chain, which allowed the production of new blocks on the Polygon chain. It was a stacked week of sports action in the crypto landscape. From new partnership deals to controversial NFT endeavors and new crypto exchange ambassadors, the sports space was active this past week. Let's take a look every Sunday. 7 days of the past week we head into the final week of March. The sports slice Crypto.com continues its run, adds FIFA World Cup to the resume. Crypto.com has not held back when it comes to sports sponsorships. Late last year, the cryptocurrency exchange made a huge headline move in securing the naming rights deal to the then Staples Center in Los Angeles, home to some of the most notable teams in Major League Athletics. The exchange has also partnered with the UFC as its sports portfolio stays diverse. The exchange hasn't stopped engaging in sports since then, and is now making news again, this time securing a deal as an official sponsor for the FIFA World Cup in Qatar. The World Cup has an audience in the billions each year, offering a massive potential for reach towards new consumers across the globe, and likely coming at a massive, but at the time being, undisclosed, price tag. NFL eases crypto restrictions throughout nearly a year now of publishing the sports slice each week. We've covered quite a bit of content around the back and forth relationship between the NFL and crypto. The league clearly sees the undeniable revenue potential around blockchain and crypto-related firms, but as it often does, the NFL is not interested in being a first, or even second, mover in the area. They feel much more comfortable playing their cards conservatively when it comes to new sponsorship categories. The trend lines, the volatility has decreased quite a lot, so a breakout from this area will be the key to seeing the volatility explode again. Interestingly, the daily demand zone, extending from $1.15 to $1.36 is present just around the level that Polygon was currently trading at the time of writing. Hence, a bounce off this significant support area will help kickstart a bull run. The target based on the falling wedge forecast is at $1.94, but in a bullish case, investors can expect MATIC price to extend this run up and tag the $2 psychological level. Today we will discuss the Polygon price prediction for 2022-2025 based on the following concept. The cryptocurrency exchange rate is one of the most important factors to consider. MATIC price prediction 2022. There are signs that the cryptocurrency market is entering a new era. We are sure that the long-term price forecast for MATIC will rise as there is still optimism that the currency will attract much more attention. The year 2022 could end with an average bid of $1.80 and a minimum bid of $1.75. The maximum bid is expected to be around $2.09. MATIC price forecast 2023. For a long-term forecast of the Polygon price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a possibility that the average price of MATIC will rise to around $2.64 by 2023 if the idea attracts more investors. For 2023, the year may end with a maximum price of $2.98 with a minimum price $2.55 level. Polygon price prediction 2024. Volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today it is not easy to predict and keep up with current prices. This is where many cryptanalysts come into play. Price projections are correct for the years indicated. Cryptocurrency consumers remain concerned about cryptocurrency bans and new restrictions. Polygon could cross $4.41 if the market sees a nice bull run in 2024. Given that it is expected to be owned by long-term investors, its average price for 2024 will be around $3.72. MATIC price prediction 2025. A flawless approach to this currency can be found on many websites and forums. According to this forecasting platform, Polygon will remain at the current level for a very long time. By 2025, MATIC is expected to peak at $6.17. The minimum bet could go up to $5.10 if the market turns bullish. MATIC rate prediction 2026. MATIC will be seen as